Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video for SalesVision. And today, Vincent Ortega Jr. was sharing with us about successful people always have plans to for their goals and their dreams and how they achieve them, regardless all the challenges they have to go through. And a lot of people are afraid to make a plan, but this is the perfect time to make your own plans, to set your goals for the next 6 months, a year, 5 years, whatever you decide to do. And we're living in times of a lot of division, a lot of opinions, but it's always been that way. Everyone has their own opinion and it's fine. But just remember, you have to find the answers for yourself within yourself. You are the only one that is going to live your dreams for yourself. So this is the best time to create your dreams, to make a plan, and look at them like every single day. There are a lot of distractions, work, family, friends, you name it. And everyone goes through that, but still, when you have a plan and you're able to take a look at them, you're on a course, and get surrounded by people that support you. If there are no people that support your dreams and goals, just bye-bye, at least for a while. But find people that support you. Within SalesVision, the community we have here, we always support each other's dreams and goals because everyone has to meet them. So if you have a business that you want to promote, if you have products to sell, you need to generate leads online. You can use a digital marketing software within SalesVision. That's one of the things. You will find the description in the link below. It will take you to the page and it will explain to you more about it. But you need to take care of your life, of your dreams and your goals. If you want to create a business, this is the best place. You're going to learn from the experts. They have made millions of dollars in different areas. So those are the people that are going to be able to train you and support you all the way. So don't wait for it. Just decide what you want to create in this life and go for it. Thank you for watching. Bye.